Hey guys, agenda video for day 4. Today is April 3rd. So we're in our 14th day since I've seen you guys. Hope you guys are doing okay. Going to go through a couple things in this agenda video. First, reminder, there's a Zoom meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. All right, the Zoom meeting is super important because I'm going to go over anything that you might have troubles with, anything you're confused with on Google Classroom. We can talk about it. I can walk you through it on my screen. And just to catch up with you guys. All right, so make sure you're getting in on that Zoom video conference at 10 a.m. tomorrow. All right. Also today we need to be doing our journal. Some of us are handing these in. I'm super proud of you guys for doing that, and some of us are kind of having difficulty doing that. So make sure we are handing in our things, our assignments. Okay. I don't want you guys to get backed up. I want you guys to keep it rolling. All right. Make sure you're watching these videos because they're super important, especially with the reading. I actually read out loud to you guys, so that way it makes it a little bit easier, less stress on you. Okay. So today is day 4, going down into our extended closure schedule. Make sure you're following the schedule and you're doing exactly what you should be doing every day. We're going to do journal number 4. We're going to read an article about the magnetic phone pouch, which is kind of cool. It's something that some schools are going into with their phone policy. And then you're going to take the article quiz. Okay, make sure you can always pull up the article right next to. So if you have the article here and you have the quiz here, you can go back into the article and then take your quiz on the other side. Okay, so it might be a little bit easier for you. So we'll go back into our classwork. We will go down all the way down. Remember, if you go all the way down to your journals down here, all right, so today we're doing journal 4. This is actually the screen that you see, so make sure you're doing exactly what I do. Click on View Assignment, and then you're going to do Add or Create. When you add or create, this is what you need to be doing, okay? Add or create, because this is how you're going to hand it in. So you're going to create a Google Doc, and then that'll bring up a blank screen, and that's where you're going to start typing. I'm going to allow you to do a 14-point font and double spaced. Okay, so double spaced means that there's a little bit of lines in between each line. So if we come up to the top, you can go 14-point font, and then if you come over to here where it has like the arrow and then the lines, you can push double, and that'll give you a double space. So if I were to just like type, right? See how there's a space between there? Now you can do that, okay? If you do that on Google Doc, you can do the 14-point font with the space in between. If you do it on piece of paper and then send me a picture of it, make sure that it is a full page single space in your notebook or on a piece of paper, okay? If we go back, other than that, I'll show you where to get your News ELA, which you should already know. Actually, let's go over the journal. So today is the day 4. On the streets of New York City, the first call using a cell phone was made on April 3rd, 1973. The call was by Martin Cooper, an inventor. There is a great debate as to whether or not cell phones could be allowed in school. Explain your personal opinion. You may even want to do a little research to include in your writing. Okay, so do you think schools should allow cell phones? Your News ELA article, okay, you'll see that the readings, me reading them aloud, start to come up once they are posted. Your magnetic phone pouch is here today. If you click on that, that'll bring up your PDF, okay? The next video will be me reading that article as well as the questions that go along with it. So make sure you are listening to that video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Actually, today is Friday, so I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.